My name is Esti. I have been using this urinary bottle for a few years now. We use it on a car trip, camping, even at home. These urinary bottles are designed for both male and female. For men, it is really straightforward. You do your business and you want to close it after you have used it. Women, we use this. When you pee, your pee is actually hitting this wall. I will position it like this, and if you press it too hard against your skin, because there is gas in our urine, the gas is going to rush out. Just relax and forward a little bit. Just enjoy the process.
The reason why urine are leaking out is because the gap is not tight. To solve this issue, I use a tape to tape around the funnel. This will help to close the gap. See, it works. For hygiene purpose, you need to change the tapes often. I've been using this for 2 years now.
As you can see, the leakage problem can be solved by using the tape. The only thing that I'm not satisfied with this product is there's no rubber ring here to prevent the leakage. As a woman, it is very good to have this product, especially when you're traveling on a car and on a long distance where there is no toilet. I hope this video gives you the answer that you need.